One of the top teams in the international engineering competition called FIRST Robotics hails from North Brunswick High School. Their latest robot recently returned from the final championship in Atlanta, may be headed for retirement, but the team keeps going year-round. Science and technology correspondent Patrick Regan has the story.
More than 1,000 teams from 7 countries competed in FIRST Robotics this year. Raider Robotics of North Brunswick High School won the New Jersey Regional Championship, and its 3-team alliance took second place in the final event in Atlanta. It was the highest scoring team for most of the season and finished with a record of 45 wins in 50 matches. Every student has a role to play in the rush from brainstorming and building to practice and competition.
Bristol Myers helps us a lot with building the actual parts, but then we have to get it and help program it, which is usually happened this year during the last 2 weeks of the build season, which is a really short time period.
We wanted to approach the game with being able to attack from different positions on the field. So once we positioned the robot, we programmed it in a way so that it can go from any part of the field, can go track the green light.
They also created a software program to track the capabilities of other teams, potential partners, as well as opponents.
The program takes in all different kinds of data, and it analyzes it for us. And so it's almost like a football scouting program. So it tells us the weaknesses and strengths of the robots, which ones are best, gives us rankings.
It was actually a very important part of how we won the New Jersey Regional, because at the time we didn't know very many of the teams.
The students credit their computer science teacher with helping them write the scouting program, and they say the experience helped them do better on their advanced placement exams.
These are the smart kids that really a lot of them don't go into sports or anything else, but this is something that's an outlet for them and makes them, it's like a sport for them.
A school club that stays active even through the summer, Raider Robotics has a record of grabbing students' interest in the freshman or sophomore year and launching them toward careers. Over the past 10 years, around 50 team members have gone on to engineering schools.
The whole program has definitely changed my life and my outlook of engineering. I was always interested, but I wasn't sure about it, and I feel a lot more confident about taking up an engineering career.
Where else can a high school student get a chance to interact with professionals in the engineering field, CEOs of companies, leaders in business? The community at large gets to see the best of what students have to offer, and the students get to see what's out there as a potential future for themselves.
These students may be fierce competitors, but they also extend an open invitation to help get other teams off the ground. Patrick Regan, NJN News, North Brunswick.